Good evening, everyone. It is August 24th, 2017. We're doing 2017 Panini Origins Football 2-box break number 5. Random teams. New release yesterday. My first time getting to crack open some Origins Football. As you can see, there's only 23 total spots. A lot of teams are comboed, as there are only some base cards for some teams with no hits. So we comboed some of the teams like that. So as you can see, there are 23. So Bills, Packers are a combo, Broncos, Ravens, Lions, Patriots, Colts, Cardinals, Saints, Rams, Jets, Dolphins, Eagles, Raiders, Seahawks, Cowboys, and Redskins, Falcons. And there are 23 list of customers. Michael H. gets 19 spots actually and sells out this break. So let's roll the dice then. Low roll, we got a 1 and a 2, so 3 times on the list of names and the teams. 2, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, after 3 times, John, you're at the top. Michael, you're at the bottom. Alright, let's get a new list going. Alright, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. After 3 times, Vikings are at the top, and we got the Jacksonville Jaguars are at the bottom. Alright, Kyle. Alright, so this is the way the teams came out. I kind of feel like I don't need to go through every single team. So I'm going to alphabetize it by customer first name, since there's only so many customers in here. But this is the way the teams came out, right here like this. As you can see, I'll give it a couple seconds so you guys can take a look. What I'm going to do now is alphabetize it by customer first name. As you can see, Brandon, you have the Giants, John Parker with the Chiefs, and John Swanger with the Vikings, Lucas with the Redskins Falcons combo. And then the rest go to Michael H. right here. So there you go, Michael. Those are your random teams right there, including a lot of the combos. But you got the Jaguars, Bucks, Texans, Panthers, Bengals, Bears, Titans, and Browns. And the rest are combo teams. So yeah, I'll give it a couple. I'll give it like maybe a minute or so. Maybe somebody wants to make a trade. If not, we'll crack open these 2 boxes of Origins. I'm not sure if John Parker's here though, Michael B. I think John Parker may be on the main channel if he is in. Vikings, I'm not sure if John Swanger's here either. Like I said, these guys bought their spots earlier in the day today when we first started the stream, so I'm not sure if they're in watching. But hey, if you guys are in, you guys want to make a trade, you guys have a little bit of time. If not, hey, stick with what you got. So I'll give it another 30 seconds or so. Oh, you good, Michael? All right, man. All right, so I'm going to put it back to A through Z, and then we will print this out. All right, guys. So here are the boxes, guys. While that list is getting printed out, box 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 14, 15, and 16. So we'll generate 2 boxes for this break. And here is the list once again. Good luck. Your last ball mojo team is the Steelers, Michael. Here's the rest. Alright, so let's generate one of these boxes really quick. So it's a 2-box break. So 2 boxes. First box generated is box 5. Not available. Let's do that again. 6. There we go. Box 6. Right there. Now let's go one more box. 12. Not available. Let's do that again. 16. Yep, 16 is available. So we'll go 16. Alright, guys. I'll put up another Origins 2-box break back into the store after this. But my first time breaking it, like I said, it released yesterday. I did some hockey yesterday, so Nick was able to crack open about 4 breaks of this. But it always looks nice. And I'll use this blank. Alright, so first, we have Mark Ingram. We have Travis Kelce, 138 of 299. And a Marcus Mariota, 10 of 10 for the Tennessee Titans. My boy Marcus. Nice hit right there for the Titans. Going to Michael. Definitely going to do damage this year. Nice 10 of 10. And then Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. That is going to John Parker. Alright. And the first one is a 23 of 75 Jumbo Relic. 2 colors. James Conner for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Last Spot Mojo. Yes, he is my boy. I met him many times. I'm a big Oregon Ducks fan. Have been since 2004, to be exact. Is when I really started watching college football, actually. So, yeah. All right, there you go. Then we have Joe Mixon, green autograph. Cincinnati Bengals, going to Michael. And the last one, or second to last actually. Nice, 4-color patch, Mac Hollins. Speaking of my Smeagles. There you go, Mac Hollins for the Eagles. Going to Michael with the Eagles-Raiders combo. Looked really nice in week 1 and week 2 of the preseason. Haven't seen week 3, so got to check that out. And no numbering on that. Mac Hollins. Mitch Trubisky used to throw to him at UNC. Well, there was not really any NFL football when I was a kid in LA, so you can't blame me. And we got Navarro Bowman. There was no Raiders, no Rams when I was here, and grew up in the 90s. All right, so second box. And then for college, I can't like USC. They just make me sick. All right. Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. We have Joey Bosa And Paul Perkins, 279 of 299 for the Giants. And another 9 of 10. Look at that. Another out of 10. 9 of 10. Jordan Howard for the Chicago Bears. All right, so Giants. New York Giants. That's going to Brandon G. And a 10. An out of 10 Jordan Howard is going to the Bears. And going to Michael. Alright, guys. Next one. And we have a Kareem Hunt. 132 of 199 for the Kansas City Chiefs. Chiefs. It's going to John Parker. We have a Donta Foreman, Houston Texans, autograph, and that is going to Michael H. Great running back right there. And the last one may be the starter. We have a 3-color patch autograph, 96 of 99, Patrick Mahomes. Kansas City Chiefs, John Parker. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was a 2-box break of Origins Football. Number 5. We'll have number 6 in the store. Jaspy's Hobbyland 10-buck breaks. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.